It's Rich Sherman here. You guys know whenever I see something interesting, I like to bring it to you. And I've just learned some stuff about insurance, particularly in the state of California, but this is a nationwide problem that I am very, very worried about. Homeowners insurance is going up dramatically all over the country, and there's a reason for that. The cost of wildfires, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, climate change is causing disasters that are more expensive and more frequent than we've ever seen before in the United States. And that is causing insurance rates to go up. The problem is insurers need to get so much more to stay above water, and I'm not saying they have to make a profit, I'm sure they would, but in order for them to simply exist, they have to make a certain amount so they can afford to pay for these things. And in places like California and other places, they're really hemmed in as to how much they can raise insurance rates. So what we're having in California, we've now lost two of the biggest insurers in the state. They're not leaving the state, they're just refusing to write any more policies. So State Farm and Allstate are no longer writing policies in California, they're not writing policies in Florida either, and Farmers is about to do the same. So what I'm warning you is, if you have a policy, two things you need to do. First of all, keep it. Make sure you make the payments on time, because if you lose coverage, you're not getting it back. Also, make sure you have the right coverage. You need to call your insurance agent and say, this is what my house is worth. This is what I have in my house. Do I have the proper coverage? I know this sounds boring. I know it's not interesting, but if you have a fire, flood, earthquake, something happens to your house, if your house burns down, believe me, you're going to be real happy you followed this advice. Call your insurance agent today, sit down with them and make sure you have enough coverage on that house, because it's going to be harder and harder to get coverage as time goes on, and you're going to have less and less coverage as it costs more and more money. Get that set up now while you still have the chance. And if you have questions about this, you can call me anytime. I'm happy to help. Rich Sherman, 661-714-1400. Call me anytime, day or night. I'll be happy to help.